Hey everyone. Now, if you or someone you know is currently struggling with their fertility, then, honestly, believe me, I know and have felt your pain. For almost 10 years, my husband and I had struggled getting pregnant, and the process felt like an absolute nightmare. I'm here to share my story with you, and although every single person has their own health status as well as journey, I'm happy to share my story as well as natural health secrets that not only healed my body, but also I was able to have, a basically zero complication pregnancy, in addition to giving birth to an extraordinarily healthy baby boy. Marley, I'm so proud of him. Now, I'm not a medical doctor, nor am I in the fertility industry, but I've certainly had years of experience in dealing with it, and in the end, managed to heal myself. If I can get even one of you to do the same, that is my literal dream and my reason for making these videos. Now, my specific struggle was a combination of PCOS, extremely intense family pressure to conceive, in addition to a stressful lifestyle, and technically being a geriatric mother because we had just tried for so long. Now, what happened in the end was a visit to a naturopath where I actually took charge of my health, adjusted my diet and lifestyle, took specific vitamins and teas, did acupuncture, yonis, as well as relaxation techniques, including magnesium floats. Now, I will share each individual secret in my upcoming videos, um, and we will get into further detail. Now, I decided to take a more natural approach after visiting 3 separate fertility clinics over the span of, 7.5 to 8 years of the 10. For me, the medication as well as the process felt like an absolute atom bomb to my system. And although I am not here at all to dissuade you from going to a fertility clinic or doing, what you have to do and what you feel is right for you. I'm just here to tell you that, you know, the fertility doctor, when my husband was explaining to him the effects that the medication was having to me and that he was concerned, despite doing absolutely every single thing that the doctor had recommended and being extremely diligent about it, he basically told us, well, do you want to get pregnant or don't you? And that was after years, again, of doing everything I could and getting zero results. So this video, as much as I'm not going to name names, this video is also for you, doctor, to show you and, rub it a little bit in your face that it can happen, it did happen, and, I can also help others do the same. So again, I'm just petty like that. That's just me. I hope and I pray for all of you that, if this doesn't impact you directly, if it even helps someone you know, you never know. All the best.